Hi everyone, myself I am Shaktiram. I am working as a technical trainer at Indra Institute of Education. Welcome to our Python programming series. In this series, we will learn Python from basic to advanced concept with practical examples and projects. Today is day 1 and we are going to understand what Python is, why it is popular and how to start coding in Python. Today's agenda is what is Python, history of Python, futures, applications, installation, first program, and lastly going to use print function. What is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose programming language. It is easy to learn, easy to read, and easy to write. Python is widely used by beginners, students, developers, data scientists, and large companies. Example companies using Python like Google, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, and YouTube. So, next is history of Python. The Python is created by Yodo van Rossum, released in 1991, simple and powerful language, named after the comedy show Monty Python. The goal is to create a language that is simple, readable, and powerful. A Python is designed to make programming easier for everyone. Even beginners can learn Python quickly. Futures of Python. So here, easy syntax, open source, platform independent, large community. So these features make Python one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages available today. Applications of Python, web development, AI and ML, data science, automations, and cloud computing. Whether you want to become a software developer, data analyst, AI engineer, or cloud engineer, Python is useful everywhere. So now we are going to install a Python. So for that, just go to Chrome and type python.org and click enter and you will see a download symbol here and download Python install manager. After completing download, you just need to verify the path. For me, already installed Python. For you, you will see a path to create and store the Python. So complete that process. After installation, we can verify whether Python is installed correctly by checking the version in the terminal. So I am checking now. Let's go to command, type python space hyphen version. So you see here Python 3.12.7 is my current version of Python. As we downloaded the Python, you also need to download Python. It is a website. Note this website and just download it. I already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it now. So the installation process is over. So now we are going to use first Python project. Let's see. I'm going to Python. So in this, I'm going to create a one Python project. Python file name, and we are going to print our first Python program. So just right click and run. So here you can able to see hello world. So this is our first program. Every programmer writes the print function is used to display the output on the screen. So next, understanding print. So let's see. This is one of example. Let's see print number. So it also runs here. So next we are going to see can also do arithmetic operations by print function. The print function can display text, numbers, and even calculation results. Why learn Python? Because it is beginner friendly, high demand, good salary opportunities, easy to learn, used in AI and data science, large job markets. Learning Python opens many career opportunities in different technology fields. So summary, we see what is Python, features, applications, and we install the Python and also install Python. And finally, we do the first Python program with print function. In the next video, we will learn variables, data types, user input, and write our first real Python program. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you next class.